Cakewalk versus GarageBand. Which DAW is better for beginners? Explores how choosing the right digital audio workstation can elevate your music creation without overwhelming complexity. We'll briefly look at Cakewalk and GarageBand to start. Cakewalk and GarageBand are two popular DAWs designed for music production. The core difference lies in their platform and complexity. Cakewalk is a free, Windows-based, professional-level DAW, while GarageBand offers a beginner-friendly experience exclusively on macOS and iOS devices. Cakewalk by BandLab is a full-featured digital audio workstation available for free on Windows. It provides advanced tools like multi-track recording, MIDI editing, and a wide range of virtual instruments and effects. The software uses a traditional linear timeline that supports complex arrangements and detailed mixing. Cakewalk's strengths include its professional-grade features typically found in paid DAWs, making it ideal for users looking to grow their skills and produce high-quality tracks without upfront costs. However, its interface can feel overwhelming for absolute beginners, and it requires a Windows PC with decent hardware to run smoothly. Beginners with some technical confidence or those willing to learn will benefit most from Cakewalk, especially if they plan to expand into more advanced music production. Its integration with BandLab also allows cloud collaboration, adding flexibility for remote projects. GarageBand is Apple's beginner-friendly digital audio workstation available on macOS and iOS devices. It offers an intuitive interface with drag-and-drop functionality, pre-made loops, and a collection of virtual instruments that make starting music production accessible and fun. GarageBand works well for recording, mixing, and arranging music with minimal setup, making it perfect for newcomers. Its strengths lie in simplicity, seamless integration with Apple hardware, and built-in lessons for learning instruments. However, GarageBand lacks some advanced features found in professional DAWs and is limited to Apple devices. This makes it less suitable for users seeking deep customization or cross-platform flexibility. Ideal users include beginners who want to create music quickly without technical hurdles, and those invested in the Apple ecosystem. GarageBand also supports exporting projects to Logic Pro for further professional editing. Comparing Cakewalk and GarageBand highlights key trade-offs. Cakewalk excels in professional features and customization, but demands more technical knowledge and Windows hardware. It suits users ready to invest time in learning and producing complex projects. GarageBand offers a streamlined, beginner-friendly experience with easy setup and Apple device integration, but limits advanced editing options and platform flexibility. For example, a Windows user wanting free professional tools will prefer Cakewalk, while a Mac user seeking quick, intuitive music creation benefits from GarageBand. Cakewalk's steep learning curve contrasts with GarageBand's simplicity, making the choice dependent on your device and production goals. Both support MIDI and audio recording, but differ in scalability and ecosystem compatibility. Choose Cakewalk if you use Windows and want a free DAW with professional features that can grow with your music production skills. GarageBand is the best pick for beginners on Mac or iOS who want an easy, enjoyable introduction to music creation. Its simplicity and Apple integration make starting fast and fun, with room to upgrade to Logic Pro later if needed.